Hello dear student, we are studying fluid mechanics and machinery. Today's topic is impact of jet, in which we study about jet strike the curved plate at the end tangentially when the plate is symmetrical. In the last video, we have studied jet strike at the center of the curved plate. So, for this topic, we draw a curved plate. It is the fixed symmetrical curved plate in which water of jet is strike tangentially. So this one is pipe and it is nozzle. It is the nozzle of pipe. Now this is water jet which is strike tangentially at the curved plate. So we can say this one is water jet which is strike on the curved plate from one end and it's strike tangentially to the curved plate. This is axis and it is x-axis in which force is acting in the x direction. So, and this one is y-axis in which force is acting on y direction. So, there are two axes, one is perpendicular and one is x-axis. This one tangentially to x-axis, so its angle is theta and both angles will be same from the x-axis. This is the velocity of water jet after striking. So this velocity is v. So this velocity is inclined in the direction. For this, its velocity component in x direction will be, this one is theta, so its angle is theta, and in the direction of x its velocity component will be v cos theta, and in perpendicular direction its velocity component is equals to v sin theta. Now initially in the same way its angle is theta and its velocity component is v cos theta, and in perpendicular direction its velocity component is equals to v sin theta. Now we will find the what is force acting on the curved plate. So let the jet strike the curved fixed plate at one end tangentially. Let the jet strike the curved fixed plate at one end tangentially. The plate is symmetrical about x-axis. The curved plate is symmetrical about x-axis. The velocity of water jet which is strike tangentially on the curved plate is equals to v. Let v equals to velocity of jet of water and theta equals to angle made by jet with x-axis at inlet tip of the curved plate. Theta equals to angle made by with x-axis at the inlet tip of curved plate. Here we assume the plate is smooth, so there is no loss of energy takes place. Here assumption the plate is smooth, so there is no loss of energy. Then the velocity of water at the outlet tip of the curved plate is equals to v, because there is no loss of energy. So then the velocity of water at the outlet tip of the curved plate is equals to v, that is the velocity of jet. So it is equals to v. Now force exerted by jet of water in the direction of x. Force exerted by jet of water in the direction of x. First we will find the force exerted by jet of water in x direction. So Fx is equals to mass per second into initial velocity minus final velocity, that is v1x minus v2x. So here v1x is equals to initial velocity in the direction of x. So initial velocity in the direction of x, that is velocity component in the x direction. So it is equals to v cos theta. So v1x is equals to v cos theta. Next v2x. v2x is equals to final velocity in the direction of x. Here final velocity in the direction of x is equals to v cos theta also, but it is opposite in direction. So it is opposite in initial direction. So v2x is equals to minus v cos theta. Now we will put the value of v1x and v2x. Here mass flow rate is equals to rho q. So Fx equals to rho q into v1x minus v2x, where rho equals to density of fluid and q equals to discharge, that is flow rate. So Fs equals to rho av and into v1x minus v2x. So put the value of v1x minus v2x is equals to v cos theta minus into minus v cos theta. Therefore Fx equals to rho av into v cos theta plus v cos theta is equals to rho av into 2v cos theta. Therefore Fx equals to 2 rho av square into cos theta. So finally the Fx equals to 2 rho a v square cos theta, where a equals to area and v equals to velocity and rho equals to density of fluid. So force exerted in the direction of x, that is Fx equals to 2 rho a v square cos theta. Similarly in y direction, Fy is equals to mass per second into v1y minus v2y, that is Fy is equals to rho av into v1y minus v2y. Here v1y equals to initial velocity in the direction of y. v1y is equals to initial velocity in y direction. So initial velocity in y direction is equals to v sin theta, that is perpendicular to the z. So initial velocity in y direction is equals to v sin theta. Next v2y. v2y is equals to final velocity in y direction. So final velocity in y direction is v sin theta also. So v2y is equals to v sin theta. Now we put the value of v1y and v2y. So Fy is equals to rho av into v sin theta minus v sin theta. Here v sin theta and minus v sin theta is equals to 0. So Fy equals to rho av into 0, that is Fy is equals to 0. So therefore no force acting in the y direction. So in y direction force is equals to 0. So in y direction and x direction we found the value of force acting in the curved plate by the water jet, which is acting on tangentially. So today's topic is over. For more updates, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.